Today we're making Carolina barbecue sauce. Hi everyone, welcome to Black Cat Kitchen. I hope you're doing well. Today we're making one of the oldest barbecue sauces on record, Carolina barbecue sauce, also known as Carolina Gold. The reason for this is its base is not tomato or molasses, it's actually yellow mustard. This gives a really tangy flavor to the barbecue sauce, and we're going to add some vinegar in there, which really bumps that tang up. It's got a lot of spices and seasonings, and there's a hint of sweetness in there. It's traditionally used on pulled pork, which has been cooked for a really long time, so it just falls apart and it's got all of those sweet, tangy flavors in there. But today I'm just going to put it on some chicken thighs and a pork tenderloin and throw them on the grill, and they're going to be absolutely delicious. Let's get started. See the description below for a list of ingredients. Into a medium saucepan, we're going to add 240 grams, 1 cup of yellow mustard. To this, half a cup, 110 grams of sugar, 66 grams or 1/3 a cup of brown sugar, a teaspoon of ground pepper, a 1/4 cup, 60 milliliters of water, and 3/4 cups or 175 milliliters of apple cider vinegar. Next, we're going to add in a tablespoon of sweet smoked paprika. You can use chili powder here if you like heat, and you can even add cayenne pepper if you like it really spicy. Then give it a little whisk. And we're going to bring this up over medium heat for about 15 minutes. It's starting to thicken up and it's really fragrant. You can really smell all those flavors in there. Now that that's been in there for about 15 minutes, we're going to add our salt, butter, and soy sauce. So about 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons, 30 grams of unsalted butter, and a teaspoon of soy sauce. That smells incredible. We're going to let that cook for another 5 minutes, and then we're going to take it off the heat to cool. Now that our barbecue sauce is cooled, we're going to coat our chicken and our pork. I like to save a little bit to brush it while it's on the grill. Because there's so much acid in this barbecue sauce, you don't really need to let them marinate for too long. 10 to 30 minutes will be perfect. Just enough time to light your charcoal. And it gets a perfect amount of heat from that mustard. It's just so lovely the way that the acid sort of starts to break down the chicken and keeps it really moist and tender. And you really don't have to marinate it for that long. This sauce would be perfect on chicken and pork like we've done today. You can do it on drumsticks, on chicken wings. I think any way that you eat this sauce, you're gonna love it. It's a golden classic for a reason. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. We'll see you next time.